Welcome to dasuhaenglish channel. Today we will learn English about common mistakes. Here are some commonly misused expressions in daily conversations along with their explanations in English. Number 1. I am agree. This sentence is incorrect. Using the verb am before the verb agree, which should be in the infinitive form without an auxiliary verb. So the correct sentence is I agree. Well, you already know, don't you? Number 2. I have a question to you. This sentence is often found used, especially a beginner, but actually is incorrect. Using the word to after the word question, which is unnecessary. The correct sentence is, I have a question for you. Change to for. Number 3. I am confusing. This sentence is also grammatically incorrect. Using the verb am before the noun confusing, which should be used as a verb modifying the noun. So the grammatically correct sentence is, I am confused. Number 4. I want that you help me. This sentence is also incorrect. Using the word that after the word want, which is not needed. From that explanation it can be concluded that the correct sentence is, I want you to help me. Number 5. I'm here since 2 hours. Let's see what the error of this sentence is. Error. Using the word since to indicate a specific duration in hours. I've been here for 2 hours. This sentence is grammatically correct and usable. Next. Number 6. Can you borrow me your pen? And of course this sentence is also incorrect. Using the verb borrow with the direct object me, which should use the verb lend with the direct object your pen. The correct sentence would be, can you lend me your pen? You can now use it with the correct grammar. The next incorrect sentence is, I go to cinema yesterday. You must already know where the error lies in the sentence, right? The error in that sentence is using the verb go in the simple present form without an auxiliary verb to indicate the past tense. So all you have to do is change go to the past form, so the correct sentence is, I went to the cinema yesterday. Next. Number 8. I'm sorry, I have other plans. This sentence is also grammatically incorrect. Error that can be found here is, using the word other, which should be used in the plural form other plans to indicate more than one plan. So the correct sentence is, I'm sorry, I have other plans. The next incorrect sentence is I'm not speak English very well. Error that can be found is, using the verb am before the verb speak, which should be in the infinitive form without an auxiliary verb. As a correction to, I can't speak English very well. Number 10. I have a lot of homeworks to do. Anyone know where the error lies? Using the word homeworks in the plural when the word homework doesn't actually have a plural form. So the correct sentence would be, I have a lot of homework to do. Number 11. He's very good on singing. This sentence is incorrect. Error. Using the word on after the adjective good, when you should use the word at to show skill. Correction. She's very good at singing. You can use this sentence now. Next. The next grammatically incorrect sentence is I already finish my work. Error. Using the verb finish in the simple form finish, when you should use the auxiliary verb have to indicate an action that has already been completed. So the correct sentence is, I have already finished my work. Number 13. Can I have some advices? This sentence is generally wrong as well. Error found. Using the word advice in the plural, even though the word advice doesn't actually have a plural form. Can I have some advice is the correct sentence. Number 14. I'm so exciting about the trip. Without explaining whether you know where the error of this sentence. Using the verb excited to refer to how the subject is feeling when you should use the adjective excited. The correct sentence is, I'm so excited about the trip. The next error is, I'm sorry, I'm not understanding. Error found. Using the verb am before the verb understanding, which should be in the infinitive without an auxiliary verb. Correction. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Number 16. Can I have some informations? Let's see what's wrong with this sentence. Error found. Using the word informations in the plural when the word information does not actually have a plural form. So the correct answer is, can I have some information? Number 17. He doesn't has a car. Is this sentence incorrect? Of course. Error. Using the verbs does and has together when in negative sentences you only need the auxiliary verb does and the base form of the verb after it. As a correction, he doesn't have a car. Next. The next incorrect sentence is, I'm so exciting for the concert. Using the verb excited to refer to how the subject is feeling when you should use the adjective excited. Correction. I'm so excited for the concert. Next. 19. They was happy to see you. Discoverable error. Using the verb was for the plural subject they, where the verb were should be. Correction. They were happy to see you. And the last is, can you borrowing me your book? This sentence is grammatically incorrect. Using the word borrowing as a verb when you should use the verb lend with the direct object me. So we need to change the word borrowing to lend. So the correct sentence is, can you lend me your book? Now you can use this sentence if you want to borrow something. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content and found valuable information or entertainment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future exciting content. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay awesome.